daily life. I am Leila. Thanks so much for stopping in to see me today. So today I am doing a little bit of laundry. As you can see, I have all these Gain products because of couponing. So if you want to see a video on couponing that I've been doing, let me know in the comments below. And yeah, I'm fixing to do some laundry, and then we are going to head outside and I'll show you what I'm up to there. Look at that poor plant, it hasn't come back yet. So I got some nice gardening gloves in my Easter basket. So I intend to use them. I do like this periwinkle color blue. These are very comfortable. They feel like, on the inside, they feel like, what am I doing? Kind of like suede or something. Maybe it's this stuff that's on the inside. There we go, ready to plant. mucus out. But as you can see, it's massively windy today. Look at that. I mean, did someone forget to tell me about a hurricane? Look at that. You hear that? Okay. So, probably a bad day to plant. I ended up putting all of the flowers that I had planted back in my greenhouse because it was just too windy that day, and they were freshly planted. Thank you so much for watching. I'll see you next time. Please give me a thumbs up, share with your friends, subscribe if you aren't already, and hit the notification bell so that you will be notified every time I upload a new video. Bye!